Saan ba nagsisimula ang budget? It's from the Office of the President through the submission of the NEP or the National Expenditure Program. Sinabi ni Saldico that Bongbong Marcos was asking for 100 billion per year.
25%.
Oo, that's 25% of the total unprogrammed funds. Ang tanong mo dyan, sa'yo na nga nanggaling yung NEP, bakit ka pa manghihingi ng unprogrammed funds? Di ba? You are the programmer of the whole, of the whole budget and the whole fiscal authority of the government. Bakit ka nanghihingi ng unprogrammed funds? Di ba? Bakit ka nagpapa-allocate ng for flood control? Specifically yun na sinabi ni Saldico, hindi ako ang nagsabi, lumabas yan kahapon. Humihingi siya ng 100 billion a year specifically for flood control. If you are in your right mind as a president, dapat nilagay mo na yan sa NEP. Diba? Meron ka palang programa for flood control, bakit mo isasubmit after the submission of the NEP? It's so preposterous for a president. Kaya sinasabi namin, you do not know what is your task as a president of the Republic of the Philippines because the power of the purse belongs to you. Why? You are the first proponent of the whole budget and you are the approving officer of the whole budget. So bakit ka in between your proposal and your approval of the final budget mag-i-insert? Because dito sa insertion nangyayari ang padrino system. Lalakad ngayon yung mga nagpapadrino, speaker, pwede bang dagdagan nyo kami? Kasi ganito, ganyan-ganyan. Oo. And yung Kuntsabahan, alam nyo, this is the first time, sabi ko sa inyo, 20 years na ako sa gobyerno, started with the Senate. Never have I seen such pamamalakad of the GAA preparation, the GAA In fact, meron pang naninote, and I am very happy Supreme Court did this, kahapon. Sinabpina nila ngayon yung SARO. SARO is the Special Allotment Release Order. Kasi ito yung final kanino ba napunta talaga yung pera? Like the unprogrammed funds, kanino nila ibinigay, and you will see it in the SARO. So, hail to the Supreme Court! You truly are the guardians of the Filipino people for sending a subpoena.